Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.66 trillion, and we are down 13.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.5%. BTC dominance is a little inaccurate on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, but as of recording this video, guys, we have seen quite a bit of a rise in BTC dominance index, and we're currently sitting at 41.7%. But if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we have seen major bloodbath across the board, and we are seeing altcoins along with Bitcoin bleeding, and the fear and greed index for Bitcoin is very in extreme fear, and we're sitting at 13, and that's literally extreme fear. And what's going on, we're going to dig into that. But as you guys can see, the overall market is down a lot, and it's absolutely insane how much the markets have pulled down. So let's get right into it. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, that is Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price right now, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at 0.051 cents. We are down 16.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 10.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Our market cap is $3.37 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is $573 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 82.5%, but obviously you guys can see the markets have pulled down quite a bit. But let's get right into the exciting stuff. What's going on? What is causing this? So let's look into it. As you guys can see, we have seen Vechain break below the lows that we saw in July of 21st of 2021. We have seen Vechain break below that for the first time ever, and we have not seen these prices since March of 2021. We have seen Vechain go below 5 cents, and we're currently sitting at 5 cents right now, but we did see it wick down all the way to 4.6 cents. And yes, Vechain has pulled down quite a bit, guys, but what's causing this? Now you may be asking, what is causing the entire cryptocurrency market to be plummeting towards the downside, and what is going to happen in the future? As you guys can see, the king of the markets, Bitcoin, saw a major pullback towards the downside, and we on the Crypto ZX channel have been anticipating this drop for quite some time. If you are a regular viewer on mine, I know there's going to be tons of comments coming into the markets. Right now there's a lot of fear in the markets, and obviously when there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of FUD in the markets. But on this channel, guys, on the Crypto ZX channel, please feel free, I repeat, feel free to go watch my previous videos that I have uploaded. I did say Bitcoin is not in the safe end, guys, and that's when we were trading in this range. We did try to break above this level of resistance at that $427 mark, but every single time we break above it, it was being rejected. And I clearly said, if we do not manage to get above this level of resistance and actually close above it, and most importantly at the 46,000, we do have a chance to revisit the prices at $36,796. And you guys can clearly see we literally broke below that range. This level of support did not play out for us, and we even went below the 0.50 and almost touched that $33,600 mark, guys. And because there is quite a bit of support around this level previously, so this is playing out, and I should expect this range to play out for us. We might see Bitcoin bounce around this range, but if we break below this, guys, then we could be having a total different conversation for the entire cryptocurrency markets. One thing to keep in mind right now is Bitcoin is reacting to the overall equity markets, the traditional markets, because they have started to see more downwards trend occur, and obviously that is coming into the cryptocurrency markets as well. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin has seen quite a bit of a drop, and we have not seen this price since back in July 26th of last year. So Bitcoin has pulled down quite a bit, and if I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, we have seen a drop of about, as of recording this video, 20.36% drop in the price of Bitcoin. And obviously, guys, that is going to impact every single thing. I always mention this to you guys. When Bitcoin drops these kind of numbers, everything will drop with it, and altcoins drop double digits, more than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king of the markets and it tends to hold way stronger compared to altcoins. And that's why we're seeing major bloodbath occur in the cryptocurrency markets as of now. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know: what is going to happen? Where are we going? Is this it? Are we entering a bear market? What is going on? So we will look into that. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin dominance has seen a nice sharp spike towards the upside. So that's something we need to keep in mind. But Bitcoin, we need Bitcoin to get back above these levels, guys, especially the $43,550 mark. We need to break above it in order for us to really see a reversal, some sort of reversal occurring. But if we keep bouncing around here, guys, that is a very, very dangerous sign for the price of Bitcoin, and we could possibly revisit these levels that we have not seen since early last year as well. So we need to keep that factor in mind. So right now this support level needs to play out for us very, very importantly, and I need Bitcoin to stay above here at all costs. Looking at the price of Vechain, all my Vechain holders, you guys can go watch my videos. Literally just watch the latest video that I uploaded before this one. I mentioned that Vechain has a possibility to break below the 78.6. So if you wanted to scoop up more Vechain around there, possibly have some buy orders in place. And but now comes a question, like everyone wants to know: are we going to see more lower prices for the price of Vechain? Again, guys, it's definitely a possibility right now. We cannot say no, because Bitcoin is very, very on the shaky end of the spectrum. If this level of support does not play out for us, guys, then Vechain can drop even further down. But again, this is not a guarantee. You guys do need to have a strategy in place if you are trying to dollar cost average in for the long term. I see, I've been receiving a lot of comments on my previous videos over the past 24 hours. A lot of my regular viewers that are, diehard fans of Vechain, you know what? These kind of prices don't affect them at all, because they're in for the long haul. The long-term perspective of every altcoin, the ones with a real working product, strong fundamentals, big communities that are actually trying to change this cryptocurrency space and bring mass adoption to it, are the ones that are going to here to stay. 98% of the ones are going to definitely fail, even more like 99. But the ones with real utility, strong fundamentals, working products are here to stay. And without a doubt, in my personal opinion, guys, not financial advice, Vechain is one of them. I'm a strong believer of this coin, and if it drops below, I will be dollar cost averaging in for the long term, because I really do believe in this project. And rather than picking up some altcoins that have pumped up tremendously, rather than buying then, you should be buying when there's major greed across the board. I'm sorry, when there's major fear across the board, major bloodbath. Some people tend to take advantage of that. And as I have mentioned on my channel, this very, very famous saying: be greedy while others are fearful, and be fearful while others are greedy. So when the markets are pumping and pumping, people are saying, the markets are going to keep going up. That's when you should start being fearful and, cashing out, have an exit strategy in place. And I have mentioned this thing to you guys on my channel every single time. If you are sitting at a lot of profits, you always need to be asking yourself a question: hey, is this money that I'm sitting at, is it too much that I cannot afford to lose? If the answer is yes, it's best that you lock in some profits, because as fast as these markets can go up, guys, that's as fast as they can go down, because at the end of the day, markets are correlated with Bitcoin. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? and where could you see the price of Vechain go in the next coming days? Let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. And also, what I personally obviously want Vechain to do is get back into the 78.6 as soon as possible. But right now, all eyes should be on Bitcoin. But do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps me pushing for making you updates for you guys on a daily basis. And that would mean the world to me. That's literally all I ask for. And if you guys can go follow me on Twitter, that would be greatly appreciated. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.